The weird thing about the Samsung Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra leaks? They don't look exciting until you actually pay attention. No flashy redesign headlines, no confirmed insane upgrades, just small, controlled changes. But that's exactly what makes this tablet more interesting than it seems. Because when Samsung plays it this calculated, it usually means one thing. They're not chasing hype anymore. They're refining dominance. First, the facts. The device is real. It has already appeared in certification databases under model number SM-X946B, confirming active development. Launch timing is also lining up with expectations. September to October 2026 looks highly likely, following Samsung's usual flagship tablet cycle. But here's a key shift. Leaks suggest Samsung might skip the standard model entirely and focus only on Plus and Ultra variants, pushing this lineup fully into premium territory. Now the display, and this is where Samsung plays it smart. Expect the same 14.6-inch AMOLED panel with a 120Hz refresh rate, because honestly, this size and quality already dominate the Android tablet space. There are whispers of higher resolution or anti-reflective improvements, but none of that is confirmed yet. So for now, think refinement, not reinvention. Performance is where things get unpredictable. Multiple chipset options are being tested, including a next-gen Snapdragon, a possible Exynos 2600, or even a MediaTek Dimensity flagship. That tells us Samsung hasn't locked the final decision yet. But the goal is clear: better efficiency and sustained performance, not just benchmark numbers. RAM could push up to 24 gigabytes, with storage potentially reaching 1 terabyte or beyond, although anything above that remains speculation for now. Battery expectations are more grounded. Don't expect a dramatic jump. Most reliable information suggests Samsung may stick close to current capacity levels, likely paired with 45-watt charging again. Instead of bigger numbers, the real improvement may come from better power management through software and chipset optimization. Speaking of software, this is where the Tab S12 Ultra could quietly evolve the most. It's expected to ship with Android 16 and One UI 8, with a stronger focus on AI-powered productivity, smarter multitasking, writing assistance, and system-level intelligence becoming part of daily use, not just features you ignore. Camera, no surprises here. A 13+8 megapixel rear setup and a 12 megapixel front camera is likely to return, keeping the focus on video calls and practical use rather than photography. Thank you for tuning in. So the Samsung Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra might not look revolutionary yet, but the direction is clear. Smarter, more refined, more focused. Now the real question is, would you upgrade or skip this one? Drop your thoughts below. Are these leaks enough, or were you expecting more? Let's talk.